how to use Lyft app as a passenger. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can use the Lyft app as a passenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, using the Lyft app as a passenger is actually quite simple. This is the normal Lyft application. Open it up and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now we want to simply go ahead and then enter and choose our pickup location over here, which is the start location, as you can find here. So I'll go ahead and then enter my pickup location here, and once I enter my pickup location, I can also go ahead and then basically enter my destination location as well. So once I've done that, I'll be able to basically book whatever else it is that I might be able to find them, right? So once I've done that, I can select it, I can tap and done. It will just go ahead and find me the precise rides that are available, and once you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and then basically use Lyft as a passenger. This way you can go ahead and then basically use Lyft as a passenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.